Hey everyone, Dale here with LittleRVrentals.com. Today I want to show this stuff I picked up. It's by Meguiars, it's Plastx. And I've got my 13-foot little Bigfoot here. And you can tell the difference already. I've done half the window. And it's such a big difference. I mean, you can see the cloudy part right here. It's all cloudy. And then this part is a lot cleaner. Now, it didn't get all the scratches off, but I'm wondering if I took a buffer and went on it, I bet you it'd probably pull those little tiny scratches out. But what a difference just by wiping it on and wiping it off. Incredible. So, just a quick tip for anybody out there that has a foggy plastic. This is for Plastx. It's for plastic windows. Good for convertible tops. You guys can pause the video here if you want to read some of this. But yeah, so far this is really good stuff, guys, and I highly recommend to pick it up. So I'm going to finish the rest of the window here and show the finished result. Yeah, so all you do is you just shake the bottle first. And just put a little dab in there. And just grab I'm using a microfiber towel here. And just I just usually do a small area, so it doesn't dry out if it's a hot day. Just get it all over the plastic. And you see the fading come right off. And the shine just comes right through. Works really well. I think with a buffer, it would probably even come out even better. So this is inside the window here, all done. You can see a few little scratches, but I think those are a little deeper scratches. But overall, did a very good job. I think if a person used a buffer, you might be able to get more of the scratches out, but it definitely took some of the haze off, a lot of the haze off, and you can see right through it now. My overall thoughts on it is it helped out a lot. It did a really nice job. I mean, there's still a little bit, like I say, you could buff it, but I'm very happy with that. Looks very good. So guys, if you have a little fiberglass trailer like this, or boulder trailer, or an RV with plastic windows, this stuff works great. I also have a 67 Galaxy convertible. I would imagine that this would work good on the back plastic window as well. So yeah guys, go out and get yourself some of this. I think they sell it at Walmart, if not Amazon. If I find any links, I will put them in the description below so you can check them out. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe down below. Cheers guys.